Something new arrived today. It's the new HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2-digit. Yay! Look, this is the machine, and I'm going to put it on the table to share with you how it looks and how it works. Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you something super nice. And this one is the new Auto Heat Press 2 from HTVRONT. And if you already seen the automatic heat press, this one is similar, but it has a display that is bigger, and I'm gonna show you how it works. And as you can see right here, it's similar, the size right here of the space where you're going to place your items is 15 inches by 15, and it has a mat that already comes attached right here, so you can take it out for cleaning, and it's very sturdy. Okay, the materials right here. The machine itself weighs about 48 pounds, so you might need help if you want to move from one side to other. And they will have this machine in different colors. Right now, HTVRONT has this machine for a pre-order only starting on November 1st, 2024. So if you want to pre-order one of these machines, you have to go to the link that is going to be in the description box. Now let me show you everything about it. And this is how it looks. And this is how it looks on the side. And this one is a digital panel that shows you, okay, the numbers, and you can raise so you can see from far. And right here is the power button that when you turn it on, I will show you the default numbers, okay? And then right here, this one is for time. You can change the time. For example, it's at 20 seconds. You can change that right here with these buttons that are for increasing or decreasing, and the time can be set up to 999 seconds. Then right here, this button right here is for changing the temperature. For example, if I press it, it's going to be blinking, and I can raise or decrease the temperature. And this machine can raise the temperature up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and then for the pressure, right here is this button at the bottom. You press this one and it's going to start blinking, and it starts at 50 pounds, but you can increase by 20 right here and put more pressure or decrease the pressure. And it's going to raise up to 170 pounds. Then right here in this button right here on the side, it has 4 modes, and these are preset for you. So right here, if you press, you will have the first mode, which is this one, ready for vinyl, chameleon vinyl or vinyl. Then if you press to the second one, it's going to be for a stronger vinyl like glitter vinyl. And the third mode is for printable heat transfer vinyl and transfer vinyl paper. And the last mode, which is this one, it's going to be for sublimation. And for automatic, I'm going to show you. You are going to open this one and you put your item. I'm putting just a Teflon sheet, and then you close. And for example, right now it says 30 seconds. I'm going to decrease that because I just want the minimum. And I just put it for 1 second so you can see the difference, okay? Let's pretend my garment is in here, and when you press automatic, it's going to do like this. You can do over and over many things. You just will pull this one, put another garment, press, and it will start again with the same setting. It's very nice. See? It finished, it raises, and then I pull, I put another garment, and then I press, and automatically, you don't need to do anything. The machine does it for you, see? And then again, you can continue putting more items and just finish. Isn't awesome? I love that feature. Now the temperature is ready and I'm going to preheat the garment. I have a pillowcase and this one is 100% polyester, and I'm going to sublimate. First of all, you have to be careful when you sublimate because sometimes the ink goes through the material and then you get ink in the back. So I'm going to use parchment paper and I'm going to put it right here in the center. Then I'm gonna close this one so it can be straight. Now this is ready to preheat, and then I'm going to add the design. And I'm going to preheat for 5 seconds. Then you can just press any button and it will open. So this one is ready. And I have this one for fall. And I'm going to put like this so the zipper can go at the bottom. And I'm going to secure with heat tape right here. So this one doesn't move. And now I'm going to add a Teflon sheet on top. And I'm going to press at 390 for 40 seconds. Now it's ready, and let's see. If it did it all. And you're going to pull this one up and see the quality if you want it like that. Actually it has more ink right here, but with this color I like it already. See, sometimes if you put too much time, your material gets damaged, it starts burning. See, so I think this one is going to be fine. I'm going to show you the design. And this is the pillowcase that I have ready for Thanksgiving. And it's very easy to have a nice decoration for your house with an incredible machine. I'm going to sublimate these coasters. I have 4. And I'm going to use a picture. So let's see how well the image is going to look. And I will just put in here. And I'm going to secure with tape. And this is a special tape. It's especially for heat. And the paper that I'm using for sublimation is from HTVRONT. So you can find the paper, the tape, everything that you want at HTVRONT. Now I have the coasters ready, and I'm going to put it this way. See, this goes at the bottom, and I'm going to put the 4 of them. And on top of that, I'm going to put that Teflon sheet. I can reduce the time because I don't want this to bleed. See, so I think I'm going to reduce the time, and I'm going to do that right here to 30 seconds. And I'm going to add a little bit more pressure because I reduced the time, and let's see what it happens. Okay, so I'm going to press right here, and I can add to 70 pounds. Okay, so let's see how it's going to look. Then I'm going to press start, and in 30 seconds we will see the results. Let's see how they look. I'm going to check on this one, and I'm going to check on this one. Ooh, the colors are beautiful. So I think it's okay. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit and I'll turn the machine off. Okay, they are warm enough to take the paper, and I'm going to and look at this beauty. And look at this beauty. I love it. I think I'm going to make only coasters. So beautiful. It's the first time that I made a coaster with a picture, and I love the image. I love how it was printed on the coaster. And these coasters I bought at Hobby Lobby, if you want to know. See all the details, everything. And this is the back. So beautiful. I'm gonna show you the other pictures that I chose, and this is going to be a gift. That's why I chose all these images from Peru, and these are the best places to visit in Peru. Okay, let's see. Wow, beautiful. See? Look, so beautiful. I think I'm going to give this one for Christmas to everyone. I can put pictures from I can put any kind of picture, maybe pets, maybe family. It's going to be amazing. Look. See, you can see all of the details, and he printed all the way around. Super beautiful. It's super beautiful. I love it. And I'm very pleased with the results for sublimation with material like this one, a pillowcase, and also for the coaster. See, it's very beautiful. It works very well. It's hard to sublimate well with any machine, but this one does it very good. And I love that you can program the temperature, the time, and the pressure, and make it work with a touch of a button. I really recommend this one to anyone who wants a complete machine. And I'm going to make more samples in the future. Just I need to buy more blanks and do it with other materials. Please let me know in the comments what kind of things you want to see done with this machine. For example, if you want to make more decoration with wood, or maybe cotton or jean t-shirts, or any other thing, I can work with vinyl, or I can sublimate. See, so if you want to see more bags, or I don't know, give me ideas and let me know what else you want to see done with this machine. I'm very excited to make more items using this machine. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.